Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Are you ready?
Sure. Yes, I am.
Can you share with us how your experience was with your sales manager? And if you remember who helped you, give us their name as well.
I believe that would be Will or Brian because I've been working with both of them. And they've been pretty good from start to finish. At least they're able to answer any of my questions, whether it's by phone or email or text. They've been on point. Even when we were doing our installation, they just kept checking in on us to make sure everything was going well.
That's fantastic. Now, give us the second part, your project manager. How did everything go once they started working on your project?
Well, once they started working on the project, he lets us know what needs to get done, when it needs to get done, what's the next step, how's the next step going. And even up until yesterday, we did our installation about a month or two ago, and he has been on top of it, letting us know, hey, this is the next step. This is when you're going to have your permission to operate. And it's just been great.
Perfect. So the communication was always on point the whole way through.
Yeah.
Amazing. Now, why did you decide to go solar? And also, why did you choose greenhouse systems as your solar option?
Well, they have been one of the ones that was always on top of the list every time we were doing our research, especially on Google. And we're in Pennsylvania, so especially in the wintertime, that heat bill gets pretty high.
Right. I can imagine. And you said Google, so were you looking at the reviews and the reputation, and that was your reasoning for going with green home systems?
Yes.
That's fantastic. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your feedback today. You did a fabulous job answering these questions for us.
Absolutely.
Thank you. All righty. So that's
All right.